Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain how to enter transactions in a contra voucher. In a previous video, already I had explained how to enter bank related transaction in a journal entry. The same examples, 3 examples I had explained. One example I had took on deposit, one example I had took on withdraw, and one more example I had took on transferring amount from one bank to another bank. The same examples I am taking and same example I am going to show how to enter these transactions in a contra voucher. So before entering these transactions in a contra voucher, first we need to create ledger for those transactions. So here what you need to do, here click on accounts info, then we need to go to ledgers window here. So 2 ledger options we can see, already I had explained all these things. So now I will use multiple ledgers here. So why I will use multiple ledgers here means these always contra related transactions will come under bank accounts. So whatever ledgers I wanted to create under bank accounts, that I can create at once here. So what I will do here, first transaction is what mine, rupee 5000 deposited in a SBI bank. Here 2 accounts will come in this transaction. One is a cash account and one more is a SBI bank account. So cash account is a default account, then no need to create ledger for this cash account. So what I will do, next one is what, SBI bank account. So here what I will do, SBI bank, will create ledger for SBI bank here. So automatically bank account will come in a group option here, group under. Next one is what, opening balance. If you want to give opening balance for the banks, then you can give, no problem. If you did not give, then that is considered as a zero balance. So if I give 5000 rupee here, then what will happen, opening balance is considered as a 5000 for SBI bank here. Next one is what, next transaction is what, Rs 200 withdrawn from SBI bank. Then we are withdrawing 200 rupee from SBI bank. So already SBI bank already ledger I have created here. So no need to create duplicate ledger for the same bank account. Then what I will do, next I will read third ledger here, third transaction here. Rupee 1000 transferred to Syndicate Bank from SBI Bank, means we are transferring amount from SBI Bank to Syndicate Bank. So SBI Bank account already I have created, then no need to create one more ledger for SBI Bank here. So one more is what here, a Syndicate Bank. So I am going to create bank account for Syndicate. Here I am going to create Syndicate Bank ledger, then here bank account. If you want to give, or else if you want to give opening balance for Syndicate Bank, then you can give. If you did not give, then no problem. Then I will accept. So now I have created 2 bank accounts here. So now I will enter contra voucher. So go to accounting vouchers. So here always whenever you open accounting vouchers, then default voucher will be payment voucher. So if you want to open contra voucher, then what we need to do, press F4 from your keyboard, then contra voucher will be displayed on your screen. Then here first transaction is what mine, 5000 rupee deposited in SBI bank. If you want to deposit amount in SBI bank, then what will happen, here you need to select bank account, in which account we wanted to deposit, that account should come in a accounting here. So we wanted to deposit amount in a SBI bank. So cash we wanted to deposit, then we need to select cash here. Okay, then you can see here current balance in a cash is a 0 here. If you want to deposit, at least amount should be there in your cash account. So there is no cash, so you can't able to deposit amount in a SBI bank. So what I will do here, I will give some opening balance for cash account. Go to alter. Here what you need to do, ledger, go to alter. Here you can see cash and profit and loss, 2 default ledgers you can see here. Then you need to go to cash accounts. So take enter. Then here you need to give opening balance for your cash account. Okay, now I will go to vouchers here. Then here what I need to select, I am going to deposit amount in a SBI bank. Here you can see 5000 rupee you can see here, means already opening balance, this 5000 opening balance I have taken for SBI bank, that you can see here in a current balance of SBI bank account. So here what you need to select? Cash account you need to select here. So here also you can see current balance is for cash account is 5,000 rupee. So how much I need to type? 5,000 rupee. Then take enter. Now you can see this cash is showing as a zero balance because before I was having only 5,000 rupee in a cash account. So that amount I invested in I deposited in a SBI Bank. So all amount went to SBI Bank. All amount has deposited to SBI Bank. Now you can see SBI Bank is showing with a 10,000 rupee. Before 5,000 it was having. Now I deposited 5,000 rupee in SBI Bank. So now current balance is 10,000 in SBI Bank account. So now take enter to save, or else you can select Ctrl A to accept it. Okay, next here next transaction is what here? Rupee 200 withdrawn from SBI Bank account. So now I am going to withdraw from SBI Bank. So what I need to do? So here I need to take as a cash account. Now how much is there in a cash account? There is a zero balance in a cash account. So now from which bank account I am going to withdraw? SBI Bank. So here I need to take as a SBI Bank. Already 10,000 rupees is there in SBI Bank. So now how much money I am going to withdraw? 200 rupee I am going to withdraw from SBI Bank. So here you need to type check amount, check number, these all check related details you need to type here. Then take enter. Now you can see now how much balance is there in SBI Bank? 9,800 balance is there. So before it was 10,200 rupee I have withdrawn from SBI Bank. So now my cash is going to increase with a 200 rupee. Now you can accept it. Okay. Now third transaction is what mine? Rupee 1,000 rupee transfer to Syndicate Bank from SBI Bank. Means I am going to transfer some amount from SBI Bank to Syndicate Bank. So from which to which bank I am going to transfer amount? I am going to transfer amount to Syndicate Bank. So here to which bank you are going to transfer, that bank name you need to take here. Then how much money is there in Syndicate Bank? Current balance is a zero in Syndicate Bank. From which bank you are going to transfer now? SBI Bank. So SBI Bank you need to select here. I am going to transfer 1,000 rupee. That amount you need to type here. Then you can see take enter. Take enter. Now you can see now Syndicate Bank balance is what? 1,000 rupee. Now I have transferred 1,000 rupee from SBI Bank to Syndicate Bank. Now current balance in SBI Bank is 8,000 rupee, 8,800 rupee. Okay, now I will show how to check balance sheet. Go to balance sheet. Okay, press Alt F1 to elaborate the details. Now you can see current balance is what mine? 200 rupee. Before it was a 5,000 rupee. I deposited 5,000 rupee to SBI Bank. And then again I withdrawn 200 rupee from SBI Bank. Now current balance is in my cash is a 200 rupees. So that you can see in a cash in hand. Okay. Now see here. See. This is the deposit and this is the withdrawn. Next one is bank account. How much balance is there in a bank account? 9,800 is there. This will shown by including all the banks of your company. All it will shows the detail of all the banks of your companies. See, if I took enter here, then it will show here how much money is there in SBI Bank. 8,800. Now 1,000 rupees there in Syndicate Bank. Including all these bank amounts, it will show in a bank accounts. I hope you all understood how to enter transactions in a control. If you have any doubts, you can comment me in a comment box. Definitely I will try to resolve your problems. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.